What's up, guys? Right here I got a boxing video for some DJM lowering springs. They're 2-inch lowering springs for my Ram, which is a 2008. Here's the part number in case I want to order them. And I already opened them myself to look at them and whatever. Picked these up on Summer Racing. They got good stuff there. And I'm outside, so holding the phone with one hand. But I thought I'd make a video because you really don't see parts for Rams and drop kits and stuff like that. This is what they look like. I'm gonna pair these up with some Beltec Street Performance shocks for the front. I heard they're pretty good for the money, like $55 each. Yeah, basically that's what they look like. Let me go show y'all the Ram. Plastic dip is coming off. I'm trying to take it off. It's kind of hard to take off. And here's what I'm trying to lower. You see all that wheel gap? It's a lot of wheel gap. I'm trying to match the back. Has a flip kit in the back. It's like 5 inches. Later on I'm gonna drop it another 2. But yeah, basically this is what I want to work on in the front, so it could look a little bit better. Right now it has the Cali lean. Sits higher in the front, lower in the back. Just to let y'all know, guys, the Cobalt broke, lost all gears, took the fuse box out, still working on it, haven't figured it out. But yeah, hope y'all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.